Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and also welcome back to my makeup declutter series. I wanted to start the year off with a really fresh start, so I went through all of my makeup and am decluttering everything. I have a feeling about this that we're going to be getting rid of a lot. So I have my lip products here, and then I have some more Colourpop products here, some blushes, some shadows underneath, and some more in the bottom drawer. So this is a three-tiered section here that we will go through. This is just a lipstick organizer, and I have these little containers here where I put some of my smaller lippies. And so let's just get into it. I'm gonna start off with these three here, and then we'll move on to the other ones a little later. So I'm gonna lay these all out and pick and choose which ones I'm keeping. Okay, so bringing them all back, these are the ones I'm decluttering. I did get rid of a lot. This one is a Almay lip gloss. I've had this for way too long. I'm gonna toss it. Something like this used to be one of my favorite lipsticks for the fall time, but I didn't use it this fall, so I'm probably not gonna use it next. Just wanna let you guys know that I'm gonna sanitize these products first before I give them away. It's kind of not sanitary to give away lip products, but for my sister, I mean, she won't mind. This NYX Butter Gloss I've had for so long, it's really sticky now. This multi-stick in almond, it's really tiny, it's hard to use, but it's also a very dark color for me, and I also find them a little bit drying, so I'm just gonna pass this along to someone. I barely used it. These two Kiko lip balms, one is a little bit more of a peachy color. I feel like I should use this in the summertime. Actually, I'm gonna keep that. And this one's just like a clear one. I didn't love the formula, so because this one doesn't really have any color to it, I'm just gonna pass it on to someone else. This I've had for a really long time. This is the Marvelous Mauve number 13 from the Sephora collection. I just never use it. I'm gonna pass it along. This is brand new. This is just a Pepstar Clinique lip balm. The color was too bright. I'm just gonna pass it on to someone who's starting their collection. This again is a very bright lip balm. I'm just gonna pass along too. And then these are some minis that are really cute. Just didn't love the colors of these two Colourpop ones. And this Tarte one I just haven't used in a while, so I'm gonna give these away to someone else as well. So again, these are all the ones I'm gonna be giving away. Okay, so out of those three containers, I've condensed it down to two, which is so much better. I have so much more space. This was originally filled, so I'm getting rid of this one and just keeping these two. I feel so much better about that. Next, moving on to this container. This is gonna be a little bit easier just because I use most of these products a lot. Things like these glosses at the top, I'm gonna keep them there. I have some Marc Jacobs, some Bare Minerals, and some Bite Beauty. I also love this NARS Lip Glide. Stuff like these Too Faced ones, I'm gonna kind of go through. These ones, I wanna see which MAC ones I have. And I'm probably gonna be keeping this row. I am missing one, so if my sister is watching this, I'm coming for you because I know that you took this, or it could just be in a bag and I'm just being mean. I love these Tarte lipsticks. They did discontinue them, which sucks, so I have to keep them in my collection forever. Don't want to lose those. This is also another Tarte one. I do like it. It's more creamy than these ones. These are a little bit more moisturizing, but I will keep it. So I'm just gonna go through these quickly and get rid of the ones that I won't be using. Okay, so out of this container, I'm getting rid of 4 lipsticks. I have 2 lipsticks from Sash Cosmetics. They're just too deep for me. I just never wear dark colors like that, so I'm gonna get rid of these. And then 2 Too Faced lipsticks, one in Spice Spice Baby and one in Taffy. My sister is going to go nuts for these because she always steals them from me, so I'm just gonna pass these on to her. Now we're gonna get on to this 3-drawer organizer. I'm gonna go through each drawer separately. Okay, so this drawer has all of my Inglot pigments, which I am gonna keep. Okay, so I've gone through them. I'm keeping all of these. I have 2 highlighters, a bronzer, and 2 blushes. I'm getting rid of these 3. These 2 highlighters are too dark for my skin tone, and this blush is just a little bit too vibrant for me, so I'll be giving this one away. And so there we go, 3 of these are gone. And now onto the next drawer. These are my Super Shock shadows. I'm just gonna quickly go through these and declutter them. Okay, so this is my finished decluttered second drawer. These are the Super Shock shadows that I'm keeping. I also have an Urban Decay shadow in tonic. This is a MAC pigment in the color tan that I'm keeping. I'll probably put that in my pigment drawer. And so these are the ones I'm decluttering. This is a Colourpop brow pomade. I'm gonna pass this on to my sister. She loves this stuff. And I also decided to get rid of these 6 Colourpop Super Shock shadows. I just never use these shadows anymore, and I thought that if I ever wanted to do an eye look, I would use these shadows right here, whereas these ones, I just don't feel the need to use them anymore. So I'm keeping these ones here. The ones that I'm getting rid of are Bill, Muse, Brady, Smash, Puppy Love, and Tang. I just don't think that I'm going to be using these anytime soon, so I'm going to get rid of these. And then I kept a bunch of them, like some shimmery ones. Paradox is probably one of my favorites, Cornelius, and a few other ones. I'm getting rid of 6 of these, also the brow pomade. Moving on to the last drawer in that organizer. These are all of my liquid lipsticks. I have a lot of Colourpop, one ABH, some Kylie ones. So I'm gonna go through these and just kind of get rid of the ones that I no longer use. All right, so that is the declutter. I got rid of the Cocoa Gloss, Maddy, which has completely separated and just looks very old. Also Clueless, which was one of my very first lippies from Colourpop. And then Bumble, which is still a good color. So I'm gonna give these 2 away to someone because they're still good products. And then I'm just gonna toss these because they look very old and very worn. And so this is the final drawer and what it looks like after the declutter. Okay, so we have completely decluttered all of these right now. We've narrowed it down to only 2 of these. There was a third. There are now 4 empty spots in this container. All of my Colourpop powders, I guess you can call them, are on the top right here. I've narrowed it down to all of the cheek and the eye products. I have my pigments in the second one and my lippies in the third. So I have seriously decluttered this. I love the way it looks now. It's so much more clean. All right, so now let's switch over to all the products that I'm decluttering. So these are all the products that I decluttered in this video. I went through all of my Colourpop products, all of my lipsticks, or at least some of them. I haven't got to all of them yet, but this is a huge chunk of lip products that I'm getting rid of, and also my Colourpop products. So I'm really happy about this. I'm gonna be giving away some of these, and others that are really old I'm just gonna get rid of. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I have been doing a ton of these declutter videos just because I want to get through my entire makeup collection and kind of start fresh in the new year. I'm sure you guys have heard this if you've seen my other 2 videos, but thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!